Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar. In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful and informative forecast versus actual chart. So as you are seeing my screen, I have created this forecast versus actual chart for calls of a call center. So here you can see I have month and these are the actual calls and these are the forecasted calls. In the chart, I have displayed the actual calls by this blue line and the forecasted calls using this dotted line. And you can see one more thick line here, this green line. This line is basically safe zone range. This safe zone range is basically plus minus 10% of the forecast. Means if my actual line is coming within this safe zone, that means it is good. If it is getting down or going up, then it is not good, because calls are not coming according to the forecast. So here you can see in this month, this is March and this is, you can see, the June. So here we have received less than 90% of the forecast calls, and here you can see we have received greater than 110% forecast. So this is going out of this safe zone, and this is also. This is a dynamic chart. You can change the safe zone range from here also. I have taken plus minus 10%. You can change it as, let's say, then the thickness of this green line will be changed automatically. If I will take it, let's say 20%, then you can see everything is coming between this green line. This is for the best fit. You can see it is coming as 17%. Means if I will put here 17, then all of my months are coming in this safe zone now. So to calculate the best fit, I have used this formula. However, default you should take 10%, because usually we considered forecast plus minus 10% only. All right, so this is very informative chart. You can use it in your organization. Now I'll tell you how can you create this chart. So let me copy this and I will add a new worksheet here. I'll click on this plus button, then I will paste this data here. Let me remove the grid lines from the worksheet first. So just uncheck this grid line in view tab. Now here I will take few support formulas. So first of all, I will copy this safe zone range also and I will paste this here. Now here first of all, I'll take the first formula, and that formula I'll take lower limit, then I'll take upper limit, then I'll take safe zone range. For the lower limit, we will put the formula forecast value, which is C2, minus again the forecast value multiply J1, which is the safe zone range, and press F4 to freeze this, press enter. Now here we will use the similar formula for upper limit also, but in place of minus we will put here plus and then forecast value multiply J1 and press F4. And for the safe zone range, we will calculate here upper limit minus lower limit, this one. And now fill these formula down. Alright, now we will create our chart. So first of all, I will select here month. Then I will select this lower limit. Then I will select this safe zone range, this one. And I will take forecast and actual values also. We will not take upper limit here. Then I'll go to the insert and I will insert a chart. So let's say I'm taking line chart here. Then I will take this line, which is line with marker, and I will keep this chart here. This. Now right click on the chart and click on change series chart type. Then this window will be opened. We will change for the lower limit and safe zone range. We will take here area chart, and in the area chart we will take stack area, this one. Similarly for safe zone range we will take stack area, this one, and just click on OK. Now we will select this lower limit gray, right click, go to the format data series, and here we will fill as no fill. Now we will select this safe zone range, and then here we will fill some gradient fill. So you can take some green color also, like this. So let me select here green color, this color, then slightly lighter color, this one, then here some darker and here some light. If you want to give some transparency here, you can give. Alright, now we will format for forecast and actual lines also. So this is the actual line. Right click, go to the format data series, go to the fill and line, and here we will take the solid line and we'll take some darker color, dark blue or blue. Let's say I'm taking blue color, and for the marker you can change the marker built in. Let's say I'm taking this one slightly bigger and fill the solid color as black. Now for the forecast line, this line, we will format this line also. So we don't need the marker for this line, so we'll select none. And now I'll go to the line, and here I will take the solid line and I will choose some gray color or let's say black color, and I will make it slightly thin, like 1.5 point, or let's say 1.5. Then dash type we will choose this one, the round dot. All right, so our chart is almost ready. Now you can remove the grid lines from here. Now from the lease, and we will select this lower limit, double click on this, then press delete, so it will be deleted. I will make this horizontal axis black and bold, similarly for the lease end also, and this vertical axis also. Now you can change your chart title. Now if I will change the safe zone range, let's say 25, then you can see the width will be changed automatically. Make the lower limit of this vertical axis fixed. I'm going to format axis, just make minimum value as 0 and just close this. Now if I will change this, it will be changed. Now here we can put a formula for best fit. So to get the best fit, we will get the maximum value. So let me put some formula here first of all. So what I will do, I'll put actual versus forecast. Actual divided by forecast. Then I will fill this formula down. Alright, now here we have this value in percentage. What I will do, I'll use 1 minus this value. We will return some values, few negative and few positive value. If we want to remove the negative sign, then I'll put here ABS. So ABS formula convert the number into absolute number. So now I will close the bracket, press enter, and just fill this formula down. You can see it has removed the minus sign. Now if you will put the formula here max, and then you can take the maximum value from here. So you can see the maximum is coming 17%. So if I will put here 17, then all the months will come between this green range. You can make this formula dynamic. I'll tell you how can you do that. So here I'll put the formula. First of all, I'll take actual, press F4, divide by, I'll take this range, F4 to freeze this. Then I'll put 1 minus, because whatever value come, I'll minus from 1. Then we will convert this number in absolute, ABS. I will convert this in array. Then we need the maximum value. Press shift control and enter. Now you can see we are not taking the help of these formulas. It is directly returning this formula. If I will change the value, let's say here in place of 453, I'm just putting here 600, let's say 600, then what will happen? It is getting out of this safe zone. So here you can see the best fit, it coming now 25. Alright, so here if I will put 25, then it will come in this safe zone. So friends, that is how you can create this forecast versus actual chart. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.